In today's video, I'll show you how to create excellent music for free by using Mubert artificial intelligence music generator. And if you watch this video until the end, then you'll be able to create your own excellent music, and best of all, this music will be unique and it has never been played before. So let's get started. First of all, you go to the Mubert website, mubert.com, and you'll see the starting page. And there's a large button here, generate a track now. This is a soundtrack. You have to sign up in order to generate more tracks. Without signing up, you can generate up to 5 tracks. So it's a good idea first to sign up. It's an easy process. You click on the sign up button and you can log in with Google or Facebook, or just enter your email address here in the field and create your own password, and then click on the create account. I've already created my account, so I don't need to go through this process, but it's a very easy and straightforward process, and I'm sure that you'll be able to do it. Once you click on create account, Mubert will instantly send you an email with a verification code. You copy the verification code and a page will appear where you can enter the verification code. So this is the sign up process. For the purposes of this video, I already created my own account, and we will use my account in order to show you how to create your own excellent music here on Mubert's website. But first of all, let me show you the different plans here you can subscribe. The first one is the free one, of course, and it's called Ambassador. With it, you can generate up to 25 soundtracks per month, and attribution is required here, but it's not a very difficult process. Mubert will provide everything for you, so you don't have to worry very much. And there are different plans you can subscribe to: Creator, Pro, and Business ones, and they're compared down here. So the Ambassador, the free one, you can create only NFT soundtracks with attribution, and there are many other options for the paid subscriptions. You can explore everything here, but I think 25 tracks per month are pretty good number for a starter. So if you like it, you can use it for 25 tracks per month, or you can subscribe. It's your choice. So let's then get started generating music. So click on the generate track link here, and you can see the next screen here. There are several ways to generate music here or create music tracks. The first one is you can enter a prompt, and I'll show you all of them. So let's say here you like relaxing music, so you can type relaxing music, and you can you can choose a track, loop, or mix, or jingle. The tracks can be up to 25 minutes long, and the shortest ones are the jingles, up to 40 seconds long duration. So we'll choose the track, and for the purposes of this video, let's choose a shorter duration, let's say 15 seconds. 15 seconds, and you can generate the track now. Click on the button, and Mubert is generating the track right now. Relaxing music, and there you go. The track is ready, and you can play the track here. This is text to music. This text is converted to music, 70 beats per minute. And it's a track, 15 seconds duration. And if you don't like this soundtrack or this song, you can click on this button and it will regenerate the music. If you like it, you can download it, or if you don't like it, you can delete it or even rename it. So let's listen to the track. It is nice, relaxing music, as you can hear. And the other option to to generate a track is you can even generate a track by image. So you can drag and drop the image there, and also generate the track here. Click on the button and you can generate the track by image. So the other options are you can choose different genre, and the choice is very big here. You can choose classical, for example, house, hip hop, anything, disco. So let's go and choose one of them. Let's choose classical, and then it shows here genre classical, and the duration, let's leave it 50 seconds, and you can click on generate track, and it's generating. It shows here, and the track is ready, so you can listen to it. Click on the play button. If you don't like it, you can generate another one similar. Click on this button and generate track. Then you can listen to it. Wonderful. Okay, so if you don't like this one, then you can click on it and delete track. So that's about it. And also you can create music by moods, and there are different moods here you can choose from. Calm, acoustic, calm, and beautiful, friends, peaceful. Let's say peaceful. So you can click on the track, generate track, the same duration we'll keep here, and it's ready. So let's listen to it. Nice music. And the other way to create a soundtrack is by activities. Calm, different activities here: romantic, summer, meditation, sleep, ambient. Okay, let's see ambient, sleep, and you can generate here. It's generating, and it's ready. with the activities. Um, and if you don't like it, you can delete it, of course, and that's about it. And also, there's other options here. You can choose from tracks, soundtracks that are already uh, generated by Newbert staff with different playlists. You can choose from all kind of music and playlists. Let's say calm music. You can see here they're pre-generated, and you can listen to them and choose anything you want. Also, you can choose music by instruments, acoustic guitar, bells, drums, piano. Let's say acoustic guitar you like, and it will give you options to choose from pre-generated music. Emulator, let's say, let's listen. There you go. If you like it, you can download it. Also, there is another option, which is a beta version. Search by reference. In search by reference, you can actually insert here in the search field piece of music from, let's say, from YouTube, and this is the URL, the web address of this music, where it's located in YouTube, and you can copy from YouTube and paste it here in the search field, and Hubert will generate similar track like this one, so you can download it and use it as background music for your videos, YouTube videos, or Facebook, and so on. I chose a Christmas song from YouTube, so let's see what kind of music Newbert will generate for us. But it says it failed, but now it says it's downloading. Mind you, when you choose a longer soundtrack duration, then it will take longer time to create the music. So make sure that you choose the duration that you need to use. So here are the generated tracks, similar to the Christmas song that I chose. Beautiful. So this is the way we create music with the help of Hubert. And if you would like now at the end to download this music that we created, you click on the download button, all of them, and then you'll see my downloads here on the left side of the screen, and here they are. Those are the downloads. We are not going to wait for all of them to load and to save time. And then you can also download the certificate, or copyright certificate if you would like, in the PDF format. And then you click here again on the download button, and you see on the following screen, connect your channels. Tell us where you will publish your content so we can clear your channels from copyright claims. So you can choose where you are going to use the soundtrack that you created. You can choose from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. And then You enter the web address URL where your channel is, for example for YouTube, and click continue, and it will save the music there, and you're all done. And you can use the music, for example, in YouTube background for your videos, and it will be free of charge. You just attribute this music to Mubert, and Mubert will provide everything. A link will be included in your description. So this is all for creating music with Mubert Artificial Intelligence. I hope this video will be helpful to you, and if you like it, click on the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you for watching, and have a nice and pleasant day.